Yeah, morning, y'all. Anthony here. Alright, stick around. It's gonna get interesting. But I'm at the Kia dealership because finally their system's back up, so I can get my tire fixed finally because I had a nail in it for the last like week and a half. Then I've been able to use the warranty that I pay for, the road hazard warranty, to get it replaced because their system's been down. So I'm walking around looking at some new vehicles, and depending on how some other things work out, I'd like to get that truck. Or if that doesn't work out what I'm hoping for, then buy a little cheap car and then buy a cash truck. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, I just had this conversation with mom. She's like, "Is your money?" I'm like, "Yeah." And like I told her, I absolutely hate budgeting. I automated everything, so that's budgeting. I'm like, I know. It's just a simplified version of it. Instead of tracking everything out in a spreadsheet or all that stuff, making a monthly expenses and all that, whatever, you just put money into your designated account, and then you set up auto payments to pay everything. So you're telling your money where to go. So that way, it doesn't go somewhere without you knowing. Because most people screw up because they don't tell their money where to go. They just hope and wish for the best, and they end up broke at the end of the month. So that's why I have so much money getting allocated towards debt payoff, so much money getting allocated towards my high yield savings account, so much money allocated towards my investings. Because at the end of the day, if you're not investing for the future, you're gonna be like most of these car salesmen or all these employees you see running around who are 60, 70 years old, still doing the same thing they've been doing their whole lives. Because you're gonna have to keep working until the day you die. Warren Buffett said it best: if you never learn how to make money while you sleep, you'll work till the day you die. And the way to do that is by investing in cash flow producing assets, whether it's a dividend or your assets appreciating and then you sell it eventually. And no, you're wrong. You can make a killing in trading if you're good at it. You can also lose a lot, so I don't consider that investing. Or you can do like me. I invest in cash flow producing assets that pay me dividends, and I build a home-based referral marketing and network marketing business. So you refer somebody to something you're personally benefiting from, and you get compensated. That's it. It's very simple, very effective. And so I had this, I watched a YouTube video this morning from Fraser Brooks, a big dude in the network marketing space, and I'm like, yeah. Because everyone always talks about, oh, it's one of those pyramid thingies, and it is. Just like everything else in life is a pyramid. If you're an employee, you have a boss. Your boss has a boss, and everyone at the top makes more money than you. The difference with network marketing is when you get in, you're at the top of your organization, and you can build your organization as big as you want to. And everyone that gets in underneath you, they're starting from the top and working down. So it's a win-win. Everyone's benefiting. Everyone's creating passive residual income from the get-go. Everyone's benefiting from the personal products or services offered by the company. Because if you don't believe in the products or services offered by the company, you shouldn't be talking about it. You shouldn't be representing it. You shouldn't be referring people or sharing it. Because if you took out the compensation aspect of it, would you still personally use the products or services for yourself? You're not going to find a better way to own your life than building a home-based networking business. Because then it takes as much capital as it does with capital producing assets. Like, don't get me wrong. I have a decent little chunk of money invested in cash flow producing assets, and I just got all those dividends getting reinvested until I actually get something significant in terms of rates of returns. Because my dividends right now are a couple bucks. Some of them are 20, 30 bucks. Some of them are 50s, but it's not enough to live off of. But as those keep getting reinvested and keep compounding and growing, eventually they'll be pretty nice. So I can switch it to paying me and cover my expenses. That's financial independence. But with the home-based networking business, every time I sponsor someone and share with them the opportunity to own their lives, and they start working towards it, building their own home-based business, and benefiting from the products or services, I'm planting a money tree. So it's just a quicker way, but it's still going to take time. You got to lay your foundation. Then so in the beginning, you're going to do a lot of work for not a lot of pay. But then you're eventually going to get to the point where you're not doing a lot. You're getting paid a lot for not a lot of work. And it's a beautiful concept. It takes time, it takes discipline, it takes dedication, it takes consistent action. If you like some information about this amazing industry and this opportunity for you to own your life and utilize and own your life system, let me know. I can send you some information about it. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that beautiful social media stuff. And it's getting hot, and I'm running out of coffee, so I'm going to go get a refill. Have a great day.